Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can manage your profile on the Flaticon website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website of the Flaticon, and after going to the website, simply we have to click on this icon. As you can see, has the icon of the profile icon. So we have to click on this, and after clicking on this icon, we need to go to this option which is called Edit Profile. So let's click on the Edit Profile, and after clicking on this, we can edit our information. As you can see, here's the username. For example, I'm going to write the username like the Safir Raza. So let's write the username here. As you can see, username 3271. I have written this Safir Raza name here. And if you want to change your email address, you can also do that. You can also add your real name. For example, I'm going to add Isam Ali. If you want to upload your picture, you can also do that. Simply you have to click on this option. And then as you can see, it has an option for the upload and the explore. For example, if you want to upload this, you can also do that. I'm going to choose this. Let's click on this and we have to click on the open, and now this will be added into your profile section. So as you can see, you can also manage your notification settings from here. If you want to close my account, if you want to close your account, you can also do that. And the save changes options are also provided here, so you have to click on the save changes and it will be done. So in this way you can update your profile on the Flaticon website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.